From time to time, a recurring topic in the .NET MAUI community is the absence of a data grid control within the framework. However, an intriguing solution has emerged, a plugin named MAUI.DataGrid. Remarkably, this plugin offers a powerful data grid component entirely for free. It's a testament to the generosity of open-source developers, who invest their valuable time to create useful tools for others. MAUI.DataGrid plugin, integrating it into your .NET MAUI application is straightforward. Begin by adding the XML namespace in your XAML file, allowing you to incorporate the DataGrid component seamlessly into your UI. This DataGrid comes preloaded with an array of features, including data sorting, selection capabilities, and pull-to-refresh functionality. Notably, it also supports customization, allowing you to tailor aspects like row colors and header styles. However, it's important to acknowledge that while this plugin provides an excellent solution for desktop platforms, adapting it for mobile devices might present design challenges due to the limited screen real estate. Nonetheless, with the right design approach, it's possible to create an engaging user experience on smaller screens. I encourage you to explore this plugin further and consider its integration into your .NET MAUI projects. If you find this information valuable, please consider supporting the developers who contribute to the open source community. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to sharing more insights in future videos. If you have specific questions or topics you'd like me to cover, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.